Right. So I hope these book exercise you guys must have done, as I have provided you the solutions for this. I'm going to ask to Bhavanchi. Yes, Bhavanchi?
Yes, ma'am, done.
Book exercise done?
Yes,
We
ma'am.
just have to discuss the short and the long questions only?
Yes, ma'am. Short answer type first, short answer type second, and long question answers.
Fine. So let's start with the short answer type 1. All right.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Muskan.
मैम एक्चुअली मैम मैंने आपको साइंस की कॉपी दी थी ना चेकिंग के लिए.
Yes, I don't remember. I must have checked. Yes, then.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Then what? Swati, wait. She's speaking now. Let her finish, and you just have to raise your hand, beta. If you are having problem.
तो मैम
Yes,
कॉपी का एक पेज मैम टीयर हो गया था, तो मैम वो मैंने बुक में डाल दिया, तो मैम वो मैं कॉपी में पेस्ट करना भूल गई थी मैम, तो मेरे पास ही है अभी.
Okay, and I'll show you the list also that whose copies I have checked. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Right. So let's start with the short questions. Okay. So the first question is, yes, Khyati, what's your doubt? Can I start my class? It's 8:23, beta. Let me know your doubt, Khyati. Khyati, Mera, speak up. No doubt? Then lower down your hand. All right. So short answer type 1 questions. What are human-made or synthetic fibers? I want to hear from Aditya Gangwani. Yes, Aditya, beta. Unmute yourself.
मैम बुक का पेज नंबर बता दें.
Let me know the page number first, Aditya.
मैम पेज नंबर 41.
Page number 41. First of all, tell me, Aditya, am I audible to you guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Khyati, I am audible to everyone except you, beta. Yes, all of you, please open up page number 41. And let me also open that page.
Ma'am, in paragraph synthetic fibers, first time fibers of
Wait, let them open, let them open up. Wait for a while. Okay, it's the very first page. Oh, sorry. It's page number 41, right? Okay. Yes, Aditya. Speak up, dear.
Ma'am, page number 41, synthetic fibers. Fibers obtained through different chemical processes in the industry and are known as human-made fibers or synthetic fibers.
Okay. So have a look over here, everyone. The paragraph of synthetic fiber, types of fiber. Second point, synthetic fiber. Fibers obtained through different chemical processes in the industries are known as human-made fibers or synthetic fiber. Then you have to write the examples, okay? Examples are given in the 5th line, rayon, nylon, terylene, etc. Okay? Khyati, I am audible to everyone except you. It might be a problem from your end, Khyati. Okay? All right. So from where you have to do this? आपको कहाँ से करना है? Synthetic fiber, first line, First 3 lines up to synthetic fibers, right? Made fibers or synthetic fiber, and then you have to give the examples: rayon, nylon, terylene, etc. Okay? Okay, Aditya. Next question. Question number 2 of short questions first is, what is plastic? Give any 2 uses of plastic. Who want to tell the answer? Please raise your hand. What is plastic and give any 2 uses of plastic? Who want to tell the answer? Only 2. Am I having only 2-3 students with me in my class? I thought I'm having 40. Or only 4 are listening to me? I want to hear from Tarun this time. Yes, Tarun, please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Let me.
page number 47.
Page number. Everybody, please open up page number 47.
Then मैम जो फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ है
47. Lower down your hand. I'm not able to see the page numbers over here. Okay. 47. Yes. Here it is. Yes, beta. Next. Page number 47 पर कहाँ पर?
मैम जो लेफ्ट साइड वाला पैराग्राफ है ना पेज नंबर 47 पे उसमें मैम बोल्ड कलर्स से लिखा हुआ है a plastic is a synthetic material which on being heated becomes soft and can be molded into a desired shape and then hardened to provide a durable article.
Okay. Actually, I'm having the old book with me, so page numbers.
Yes, ma'am, यही है.
Okay, yes, this is the page number, right?
Yes, ma'am. मैम जो लेफ्ट साइड वाला ऊपर वाला पैराग्राफ है उसमें बोल्ड कलर्स में लिखा हुआ है a plastic is a synthetic material which on being heated becomes soft and can be molded into a desired shape and then hardened to provide a durable article.
You cannot give this definition of plastic that which could be easily molded. ऐसी तो बहुत सारी चीजें होंगी जो easily molded हो जाएंगी. You may give this definition, Tarun, which is given on the upper part, the 4th line from the top. Here, plastics are polymers made up of very large number of small monomers joined end to end to form long chains. They are usually carbon compounds.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this definition you have to give. Everybody got it? ऊपर से 4th line, ये जो bold letters में है, plastics are polymers made up of large number of small monomers joined end to end to form long chains, and they are usually carbon compounds. All right, so let's move towards the next question. Okay.
Ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am.
Yes,
मैम इसमें 2 uses भी तो लिखना है मैम.
हाँ जी, uses 46.
मैम इसमें uses भी बताना है.
आप अपने हिसाब से लिख लीजिए ना. They are being used in a mug, chair, bucket, ball pen, cabinet. It's being provided on page number 46.
Okay.
Have a look on page number 46 जहाँ plastic का topic start हो रहा है. The heading plastic is being provided. The 5th line from the top. Have you got? Okay, so that you may give according to yourself. Everybody knows that where the plastic has been used. All right, any 2-4 uses you may provide. All right, let's move towards the next question. Though you guys are big enough and I don't think there is any need, but then too, if you guys are asking, I'm discussing it again into the class. Okay, so why is nylon used for making bristles of toothbrush? I have Anushita, you may unmute yourself. And rest of you may provide the answer in the chat box.
The fiber which is used to making ropes rope is nylon.
Yes, Ishant, Muskan, Tarun, you guys are correct. It's nylon. And what can be learned from John and his trainer? I think I have provided you this answer also. Okay, Shant is saying always be strong. Anybody else to let me know your answers? Two are raising the hands. Okay, I want to hear from Bhavanshi this time. Yes, Bhavanshi.
Ma'am, we should be determined to reach our goal and not get scared.
Yes. Okay, this is the answer I have provided you that day. We should be determined to reach our goal and not get scared. All right. Okay, Bhavanshi, lower down your hand. All right, now come to the short answer type 2 questions. Write any 2 uses of plastics. It's provided on page number. Raise your hands. Who want to tell? Raise your hands. So many students I'm having in my class. Raise your hands. I want all of you to raise your hands. What happened? I want more hands to be raised. I want to hear from Ayushi Bhadoria this time. Yes, Ayushi. Unmute yourself. Ayushi Bhadoria, please unmute yourself. I want to hear from you, beta. Okay, Muskan Gupta, you may tell.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
मैम पहले तो हम क्वेश्चन में से लेंगे 2 uses of plastic are.
Page number, let me know the page number.
मैम पेज नंबर 46. मैम कोई भी मैम ले सकता है मैम इसमें से मग बकेट चेयर बॉल पेन मैम प्लास्टिक्स आर यूज्ड इन द मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ऑफ मग बकेट चेयर बॉल पेन etc.
Everyone open page number 46 you told, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the page. Yes, so the question is asking any 2 uses of plastic. Yes, Muskan.
Ma'am, the plastics are used in manufacturing of buckets, chair, ball pens, mug, etc.
Anything else? It's being provided on page number 48 also. Open page number 48. So many uses are provided now. Thermocol ka use diya hua hai, right? The thermocol is the most common plastic and it is used for making disposable cup and packaging material for fragile items like computer, cell phone, television, etc. Okay, so this one use you may write. Next, you may write for the melamine, right? Are you able to see here? Point number 2, point number 3, melamine. Melamine is used for as also a plastic and it is used for making unbreakable dinnerware, floor tiles, decorative objects. So from these points, any 2 points you may write. Is it okay, Muskan?
Ma'am, please repeat it again.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Where
ma'am.
are the points now? What are these? These are the uses of the plastics. उसके characteristics में उसके uses भी तो हैं. Check point number 2.
तो मैम उसको एक्सप्लेन भी करना है क्या? मैम उनको एक्सप्लेन
देख लो ना. Yes.
Okay.
Thermocol, ma'am, thermocol
Yes.
is the most common thing.
Thermocol is used for making disposable cups, packaging material for fragile items like computers, cell phone, television, and refrigerators. And next, you may give for polythene, you may give for PVC, you may give for melamine. You may go over here also, bakelite ka de do, polystyrene ka de do. Any 1 point, any 2 points you may choose from here. Is it clear with everyone? If anybody is having any doubt, please let me know in the chat box. If you guys are having any doubts. No doubt to anyone? All right.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, please repeat the last question's answer of short answer type 1.
Here it is now. I have opened the page also, Muskan. Look at my screen. Page number 48.
Ma'am, not this one. Ma'am, what can we learn from John and his trainer?
With that, I'll provide you the screenshot for that. Don't worry.
Okay, ma'am.
We should be determined to reach our goal and not get scared. You may write down if you want. We should be determined to reach our goal and not get scared. डरना नहीं चाहिए और determined रहना चाहिए अपने goal पर पहुंचने के लिए. ठीक है? Okay, what is 5R principle? Next question. I want all of you to raise your hands. I want to hear from Khyati Mehra this time. Yes, Khyati, unmute yourself. Khyati Mehra, unmute yourself. Okay, Ayushi Seni was also raising her hand. Has she lost her connection?
5R. The 5R principle are refuse, reduce, reuse, recycle, and recover.
So 5R principle: reduce, reuse, recycle. All right. It's given on page number 50, everyone. You guys may check. It's being provided on page number 50. Sorry, it's here only. Okay. Solutions to problem created by plastic. So refuse, reduce, reuse, recycle, and recover. This is the 5R principle. All right. You don't have to explain it here. Write the differences between thermosetting plastic and thermoplastic. It's being provided on page number 47. Okay. Table is being provided on page number 47. So you have to write that table over here. Okay. Next, why do we wear cotton clothes in summer?
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Bhavanshi.
मैम ये जो है ना टेबल नंबर 3.1 है ये पूरी नोट डाउन करनी है क्या?
जी.
Okay.
You may write it down in your own words. Okay. You may summarize it. So as the first point is too long, so you may summarize it in your own words. Okay. Next question. I have provided you, why do we wear cotton clothes in summer? We should wear cotton clothes in summer because it's sweat absorber and allow air to pass, and it's comfortable for us. Okay. Sweat absorber, not sweaty, Ishan. It's sweat absorber. Okay. Wire, saucepans, electric plugs and switches made of thermosetting plastics. Yes, synthetic. Won't allow the air to pass through them. All right. I'll provide you the screenshot for these answers, which I have provided you that day also. Wire, saucepan, handles, electric plug, switch is made up of thermosetting plastic. Okay, 3 have raised their hand. Though I have provided you this answer that day. Then too, let's discuss it once again. Khyati Mehra, would you really want to give the answer? Unmute yourself. Khyati Mehra, yes. Unmute yourself. Okay, I want to hear from Ishant this time. Yes, Ishant. Ishant Sharma, please unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, very good morning, Ishant.
Thermosetting plastics are bad conductors of heat and electricity. That's why they do not allow heat and electricity to pass through them.
Very
It is
good.
only software and
Yes.
electric plugs and switches.
Yes. Yes, Ishant, you are right. They are the bad conductor of heat, so does not get heated while cooking. Right? जब आपको cooking करोगे तो वो गर्म नहीं होंगे. And secondly, they are the bad conductor of electricity. All right. Next, write any 5 advantages of synthetic fiber over natural fibers. 5 advantages of synthetic fiber over natural fibers. Only 3. I want all of you to raise your hand. Be quick. Raise your hands. And others can provide me the answers or the page numbers in the chat box. Why only Shant and Bhavanshi are raising their hands? Where are others? Yes. Yes, Bhavanshi. Unmute yourself. Okay, Vaishnavi Kumana.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. May I tell the answer?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, 5 advantages. Ma'am, पहले question में सही ना? There are 5 advantages of synthetic fiber over natural fibers. They are first, they are stain free. Second, they are cheap. Third, they are wrinkle free. Fourth, they are durable. And fifth, they are waterproof.
All the advantages are being provided on page number 44. Everybody check page number 44, 45, 46. It's being provided there. Everyone. Check it on page number 45, 46. Have you got?
Yes, ma'am. Polyethylene terephthalate PET.
Yes, here, Anna.
Yes,
High
ma'am.
temperature they are having. Okay. After
Which
that,
are easy to wash and are wrinkle free.
low water absorbent they are. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
After that, you may provide they are having good elasticity, they are wrinkle resistant, they are abrasion resistant, they are moth resistant, lightweight, inert, less expensive. All these are the advantages of synthetic fiber over natural fibers. All right. Okay, let me move towards the next question. You have to explain them. Okay, you don't have to write only the point name of these points. You have to explain in 2 lines. हर एक point को आप 2 lines में explain करेंगे. If you are writing about good elasticity, write 2 lines about it. If you are writing about abrasion resistant, write 2 lines about it. Okay, you have to write 2 lines for every point. Any 5 advantages you may tell over here. Okay. Next, write any 5 environmental hazards of plastic. is being page number 50. Everyone, please open up page number 50. Page number 50, everyone. I have to move forward. Here it is. Okay, these are being provided. These are the environmental hazards. ये points दिए हुए हैं आपके पास. 8 points are here. Okay, so any points you may write over here. Any 5 environmental hazards you may write. Out of these 8, 6 are being provided on this side and 2 over here, 7 and 8. So any 5 you may write in your own words. Write all the answers in your own words. Don't copy them from the book. I want the answers to be written in your own words. Okay. Give reason for following. Cooking pans have plastic handles. Open page number 48, everyone. Open page number 48. Page number 48. Point number 5 on the right side. Point number 5 on the right side. The question is, cooking pans have plastic handles because plastics are poor conductor of electricity. Plastics are poor conductor of electricity. Okay. Next is, burning of plastic causes air pollution. Open page number 50. 50.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Happen, Bhavanshi.
मैम जो क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 का फर्स्ट ए है ना, उसमें ये ऐसे लिखना है ना, कुकिंग पैन्स हैव प्लास्टिक हैंडल्स बिकॉज प्लास्टिक्स आर पुअर कंडक्टर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी.
Yes, you are big enough to add the question part. I don't have to tell this to you.
Okay.
Burning of plastic causes air pollution. Check page number 50. Page number 50. Left side.
First.
Third line from the very top. Third line from the top. When plastics are burned, they do not get completely burned and produce toxic gases and smoke that cause air pollution. Okay. So why burning of plastic causes air pollution? Burning of plastic causes air pollution because when they are burned, they don't get completely burned and produce toxic gases and smoke. Okay. Now, nylon is used for making climbing ropes. Open page number 43, everyone. Page number 43. I'm not going to open and search. Page number 43, uses of nylon. Uses of nylon, first point. Okay, here you will get the answer of this. Due to high tensile strength of nylon fiber, it is used for making fishing nets, climbing rope, parachute fibers, strings, bristles of toothbrush, etc. Summarize in your own words. Next, refrigerators have a plastic foam core. This I'll make you write. Okay, later on. Electric wires have a plastic covering. Page number 48. Open page number 48, everyone. Electric wires have a plastic covering. Because plastics are poor conductor of electricity. It's the same answer which we have provided for the first one. Okay. Poor conductor of electricity. That's why they are being used in electric wires and sockets, etc. F, third का F देखिए, bakelite is used for making electric switches. वहीं पर page number 48, fifth point, plastic का poor conductor of electricity का A. Bakelite is used for making electrical switches and plugs because plastics are poor conductor of electricity. The same you have to answer over there. Okay. All right, HOTS के answers मैं आपको provide करा चुकी हूँ. Now I'm going to share that PDF of mine. Give me 1 second to share that.
आपको
Numbers are being written over here. You guys may take a screenshot. I'm turning the page now. I hope you guys must have taken. I'm turning the page again. These are the MCQ part which are being provided in the middle part of the chapter. All these book exercises you have to do in the book only. Only short question type 1, short question type 2 and long questions you have to do in your copy. All right. These are the answers for HOTS. Which are being provided on page number 53. I'm turning this page now.
कैमरे से काम है मेरे को मैं ले
Ma'am, please show me first page.
Okay. Do it quickly. Kanupra ma'am is here. She's waiting for us to finish the class.
excuse me ma'am.
On question 3rd D. This I'll make you write. I forgot to write it down, so I'll make you write. Okay, I will provide you in my next class. Or if you guys are able to do one question, you can do, I think, by yourself.
मैम आपके पास मैम लॉन्ग आंसर की भी PDF है क्या?
Is there any need? Muskan?
Yes ma'am.
Is there any need?
मैम मेरे थोड़े से छूट गए मैम जल्दी जल्दी तो मैम.
I was not in hurry. Okay, so I'm gonna stop doing this now.